Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Callaway Supersoft Golf Balls. These Supersoft golf balls are designed with beginners and high handicappers who may have a slower swing speed in mind. Supersoft has been one of the most popular golf balls for years, and we've combined incredible cover, core and flight technologies to make it even better. The new hybrid cover features an innovative paraloid impact modifier made by Dow Chemical. This multi-material construction allows for an incredible combination of fast ball speeds from high launch and low spin, soft feel, and excellent greenside control. The high-speed soft compression core maximizes energy transfer to increase ball speeds, while also promoting high launch and low spin in your longer clubs for more distance. Hex aerodynamics is optimized to reduce drag and enhance lift for increased carry and higher flight. Number 2 in this best golf balls for beginners list is Srixon Soft Feel Golf Balls. Srixon Soft Feel Golf Balls come with a low mid-compression rating and offer great all-round performance for amateur golfers. Another respectable option to add to this list for beginners looking for the perfect golf balls starting out of these golf balls by Srixon. As with pretty much all of the selections on this list, these balls are soft, which makes them an ideal beginner golf balls choice or even golf balls for an average golfer. With these golf balls in your bag, you will see benefits similar to many of the other balls on this list, and often which option you choose will come down to personal preference, but what we would say is that you may lose some of the premium durability that you get with the Pro V1s, especially with this choice. However, that is the opportunity cost of paying less for your golf balls. Our third pick is Titleist Tour Soft Golf Balls. A second appearance from Titleist round off our complete list of the best golf balls for beginner golfers. We couldn't resist including their Tour Soft option as a specialist beginner option, an alternative to the Pro V1s. The best golf balls for beginners and not include this great starter golf ball. They are slightly different to the Pro V1 golf balls in the sense that these are aimed more at beginner golfers with their soft design and feel. This also makes them a good senior golf ball. Overall, you get a soft feel without compromising distance and a golf ball from a leading brand, so it is a win-win all round. The all-new Titleist Tour Soft Golf Ball delivers responsive soft feel, commanding distance, and excellent short game performance. Now available in both white and high optic yellow. Benefits: responsive soft feel, faster ball speeds for category leading distance, increased short game spin, a more penetrating ball flight, improved, easy alignment features, reformulated, larger and faster core, thinner 4C grafted cover spherically. Fourth pick in our best golf balls for beginners list is Titleist Pro V1 Golf Balls. These Titleist golf balls offer both premium quality and all-round performance. The proprietary cast thermoset urethane elastomer cover system provides the best scoring control. While great for generating high spin on approach shots and short game shots, the cover does not contribute speed. By reducing the cover thickness, we have added speed while retaining the spin and control. The casing layer is the speed-enhancing, spin-optimizing layer that helps power Pro V1 and Pro V1X for exceptional distance in the long game. The combination of the most advanced formulation and processing capabilities deliver powerful engines to Pro V1 and Pro V1X golf balls. The cores have more speed and less spin while maintaining their field characteristics and compression. Both the new Titleist Pro V1 and Pro V1X golf balls are designed for maximum distance and the best short game control to help all golfers shoot lower scores. For details, let's watch more.
If you're gonna play, if you're gonna compete, I think 5. Yeah. Or if you're just out having fun. Oh yeah. It's definitely worth it to play the best golf ball you can play.
Last in this list is Pinnacle Golf Ball. The Pinnacle Soft is our choice for the best golf ball for a beginner. The enhanced 332 dimple design offers a consistent and optimal ball flight. The core is the engine of a golf ball, and Pinnacle have a powerful one at that. The Pinnacle Soft has been engineered with a high-energy, low-compression core that provides soft feel along with maximum distance. Superb choice for a beginner and at great price. Pinnacle Rush is designed to deliver extraordinary distance, helping golfers of all abilities hit the ball farther with every club. The high-energy core, along with a soft cover and advanced 332 icosahedral dimple design, combine for a powerful, consistent ball flight for long distance with every club. Available in white and yellow.